SQL handle. An SQL-based bold list handle. Sometimes it is useful to run complex queries to retrieve bold objects. The TIDSSQLHandle component encapsulates this functionality, exposing the SQL result set as a bold object list. The archive IDSSQLexamp.zip contains the component and a sample application showing basic usage of the component. For this example, the component is created dynamically, so it should not be necessary to install the component to compile and run the sample. There is room for improvement in this component. Modifications, comments, and suggestions are welcome.